Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to show you job opportunities that have visa sponsorship. So if you want to migrate abroad for work, then you really need to watch this video because I'll be showing you those jobs you can apply for in different industries, different occupations, different roles. You can apply for them. They have visa sponsorship. Some of them even have relocation package, like they pay for your flight ticket, they pay for your accommodation, and everything that has to do with your relocation. All right. So they are really amazing jobs. Some of them you don't even need a degree. Some you don't need like much work experience. So there's something for everyone in this video. So do watch the video to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing here. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video. So a few things to note while applying for jobs, right? Try to look at the requirements, what they're looking for, the skills, the certification, the work experience, and apply for the ones you qualify for, okay? Because these jobs are highly competitive. So you could be highly skilled, have all the experience, all the education, and you still get a rejection because hundreds, if not thousands, of people are applying for these jobs. And obviously, they're going to go with the best candidate, right? So try to be the best candidate for every job you apply for. So ensure you have the qualifications, you are qualified for the job before you apply, because a lot of people get rejections because they just apply to jobs at random and they get a lot of rejections and it discourages them. So, in order to avoid being in that place of discouragement, right, try to apply only for the ones you're really confident about so you can have a good chance of landing that job. And another thing, people say they do apply for jobs and they don't hear back from the employers, right? It's not every employer, every recruitment agency that will get back to you to say your application was not successful. Most of them only reach out to the successful applicants. So don't feel bad when you don't get a response from the places you send out your applications. It just means your application was not successful. So just go on, apply for more. Keep applying for jobs. I keep telling people, apply for jobs until you get a job. Don't get discouraged along the way. People do apply for hundreds of jobs before they get it, right? You just have to put in the work as much as you can and make sure you have a good CV and a good cover letter, and always send your application with a cover letter is very important. So if you want to learn how to write a CV and a cover letter, I have videos for that. You're going to see those videos in the description box below, right? So you can use that as a guide to write your own CV, okay? So now let's get into the jobs. This first one here is a hairstylist. So this is a hairstylist. You're needed in Canada, and 5 vacancies here is what they're looking for. And salary is $16 to $18 per hour, and it's negotiable, they say, and you'll be working for 30 to 40 hours per week. So for education, they're looking for college certificate, and experience is 1 year. And then the employer stated that this is a green job because the position involves duties and responsibilities that lead to positive environmental outcomes, involves supporting green economy sectors, and the benefit is free parking. So they've not given so much details about this. So I mean, if you're an experienced hairstylist and you have, a certification or a college degree, then you can go ahead and apply for this. So this is how you're going to apply. You can apply here, or you send your CV and cover letter to this email address right here, okay? And they also have instructions here. They say you must include a cover letter, just what I said, earlier. So this is the email address where you're going to send in your application. All right, that's the email address. Okay, next up, administrative assistant. And all these jobs were posted today, April 11. As you can see, all of them were posted today. So this is the salary. It's higher than the other one. And they also need college and 1 year experience. Now, these are the tasks on this job: supervise other workers, train other workers, determine and establish office procedures and routines, all the things that office assistants would naturally do. You need to have computer knowledge in Google Docs, Microsoft Excel, Office, Word, and QuickBooks. And then you're going to have tight deadlines, repetitive tasks, attention to detail, and all of that. So if you want to apply for this position, then this is where you're going to send in your application to. And they've added here must include a cover letter. I believe they've received a whole lot of applications without cover letters, so they have to write it there. So sales supervisor, if you want to be a sales supervisor, all they're asking for is secondary school, so a degree is not needed for this. You're going to be supervising 3 to 4 people, thus experience is needed, 1 year to less than 2 years. So this is what the job is about. These are the tasks and responsibilities. And then if you want to apply, then send your application to that email address right there. All right. So next up here is for a medical orderly, and it's a recruitment agency that is handling this. Secondary school graduation certificate is what is needed, and 1 year experience. And you're going to have disability benefits, healthcare plan, pension plan, and registered retirement savings plan. Then you're also going to get free parking and on-site amenities. So if you want to apply for this is the email address to send your application: direction@recruitmentiris.org. Note the spelling. All right. So next up, mechanical engineering technician. Same recruitment agency that is hiring for this position. So that is the details of this job and the email address. So this is the email address to send your application to. And let's see another one real quick: laborer, food and beverage processing, secondary school, 1 year experience. So this is the details. You can apply here. Candidatures at recruitment. It's the same recruitment agency, so that's the email address to send your application to. And let's see this other one. This is for a production supervisor. It's still the same recruitment agency that is hiring for this position as well. So here they need no degree, no certificate, and no diploma, and 7 months experience. You're going to get healthcare plan, and that is the email address. Though it's the same recruitment agency, but the email address changes for every position. The email address is not the same, so you need to note what you're applying for and what the email address is. So this one is direction@recruitmentiris.org. And then this one is for a construction worker and no degree. They said they will train, so experience also is not really major. So these are the details of the job. Not to worry, I'm going to drop all these links in the description so you would see them to apply for the job. So you come here and click here and it will show you where to apply. So that is the email address to apply for this particular one. So all these links are in the description box. You can check them out, apply for the ones you qualify for. I'll be doing more videos to show you more jobs as they post them. I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video. All right. And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.